Jaden, come here. Jaden,
Yo, what's good, guys? We're back with another video, and today we are going to be fighting in Animal Company. Yeah, you heard me right. Fighting. And today we're going to be doing it with Noah and It's Crispy. Noah's right here, and It's Crispy's right here. So yeah, let's start. And I hope you guys enjoy the video, and yeah. Let's get into it. Let's go fight, broskies.
Yo guys, I have to take my stuff again because I have yeah, you guys know.
Alright.
Alright guys, come on. See? Wait, let me take a spot. Can we do like spots again?
Yeah, like take a spot. I'm gonna go right here.
I'm gonna go up there.
Oh my god, he's so. No, you gotta come a little bit in the middle. No,
sorry about that. That was not me.
Hey, he's cheating.
Okay, Noah, come on. Noah, you can't have a grappler, broski. No, you can't have a grappler.
I have to. I'm gonna take a wait. Just wait. I have to go. I wanted to take. Hey,
Oopsie.
no, my grappler. Yes.
You better watch out, bro. You better watch out.
Come on,
better
Noah.
Not high. You better not.
Oh, okay.
But I'm telling you why.
Come on, Noah.
Jade is
We're
coming
starting.
to kill you.
Yo. Oh.
Ow! I just fell on my couch. Oh my god. Ow! I just hit my. Oh my god, there's a lot of smashes.
Where's Jaden?
I don't know. Smash. 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 Oh. Smash.
No smash. No smash. Smash to you.
Smash.
That's another
Smash.
big smash.
Smash.
Smash. Smash. You know he's still standing. Yeah.
Yeah, buddy. Can't
I'm
beat,
still standing.
can't beat that, buddy. We'll get juked right now.
And I'm still standing. Yeah.
Don't you know I'm still Don't you know I'm still standing? Is he gonna fall in the water? Yeah, guys, he fell in the water. Noah, where are you?
Guys, my body fell all the way like into the parkour bit. Like where like you do the parkour to get to zero gravity.
Bro, Noah left. I guess we're doing it by ourselves.
You just fade away, 'cause don't you know?
Why do they leave? Like, we don't leave, but they leave.
Back again, 'cause don't you know? I'm still standing.
Why? I landed in water.
Oh. I thought you left.
just
I left because